Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and we finally get to plant our cinder block containers. Now, remember I did a video last year building our spears out of the Odie straps, and they're looking a little tired because we had a couple tornadoes and this greenhouse actually squashed it, but they're still hanging on. So for the Odie, very strong materials. I'm very impressed. But what I want to do is I want to put some in here that will come up part way to hide a lot of these bends. So I love Lantana, and I want it purple because we're doing the purples and yellows in here. So Lantana is a great herb. Actually, I put it in every fig tree because it helps with insects, or it has been. But it's out of the verbania family. It's a vervain. And so maybe it repels vampires. Vampire mosquitoes, I hope. So that's going to go in here, and then I'm going to have my sweet potato vine that covers this. I think the result will be stunning. So, but we're going to go look at some of these colors. They're just wonderful. Now, I'm kind of curious on the soil. I have put mushroom compost in each one of these because these get hot. Anything raised that's black, you have issues. So I have the Miracle raised bed, and I have the Bonnie Harvest raised bed. So I'm going to do one in each, and I want to see if there's a difference. So let me start filling these. Okay, the first thing I'm going to put is the sweet potato vine. And I'm going to put it here on the corner, and it should cascade down. Now this is the luscious grape Lantana because of the beautiful purple. And this is going to sit right here in the back. And this actually only gets about a foot at most, but you could trim it. So it'll look like this. So this cascades, this will bush all the way through and hold it in. So the result is going to be stunning. All right, they're in. They already look adorable, so I can only imagine they're going to get better. Now remember, the Lantana is a perennial, but not in my zone. So all you have to do is pull it up and repot it. The rest of these go into our fig trees that are going to be in the pots. Remember, we propagated a whole bunch. But this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and I'm curious to see if Miracle goes or Bonnie plant soil. Take care and thumbs up.